Hello students, I am Neeraj Paul, your subject teacher of computer. Today I am going to explain the exercise of chapter first. So students, look at the board very carefully. Here I have already mentioned the questions which we have to discuss today. You can see here, question number first is tick the correct answer. Our question number first is tick the correct answer. In this question there are 5 questions. Question number first is the pointing device that has an LED light in its body. There are 3 options in this question. Option number A is light pen, option number B is mouse, and option number C is keyboard. Okay, once again listen the question. Question number first is a pointing device that has an LED light on its body. Okay, and there are 3 options in this question. Option number A is light pen, option number B is mouse, and option number C is keyboard. Dear students, here option number B is the right answer. Mouse has an LED light in its body. Okay. Option number A is light pen. Light pen is also an input device. Mouse is also an input device. Keyboard is also an input device. Okay. So students, the answer of question number first is mouse. A pointing device that has an LED light in its body is mouse. Now come to the question number second. You can see here, question number second is which of the following shows the output? Students, question is asking which of the following shows the output. Options are monitor, pen drive, mouse. So students, as you all know, monitor is an output device. Monitor is an output device. Pen drive is a storage device, and mouse is a input device. So students, option number A is the right answer. Monitor. Monitor shows the output. Question number third. Look at the question number third. Question number third is which of the following is not an application software? Okay. Options are operating software, MS Word, MS Paint. Students, look at the options carefully. Option number A is operation software, MS Word, and MS Paint. So students, MS Word and MS Paint, these are the application software, but operating software is not an application software. Operating software is a system software. Clear? Now come to the next question. Next question is which part of the CPU does all the calculation? The question is asking which part of the CPU does all the calculation. Options are ALU, MU, and CU. Okay. So students, option number A is the right answer. ALU, arithmetical logical unit, does all the calculation in our computer system. Okay, students, ALU is stand for arithmetic logical unit. Here I am writing the full form ALU. ALU is stand for arithmetic logical unit. Okay. Second is MU. MU is stand for memory unit. Okay. MU is stand for memory unit. Third is CPU. Sorry, CU. Students, CU is stand for control unit. Students, a CPU has three parts. A CPU has three parts. First is ALU, second is CU, and third is MU. ALU is stand for arithmetic logical unit. CU is stand for memory unit, and CU is stand for control unit. These all are the three parts of a CPU: ALU, MU, and CU. Next one, question number 5 is, which of the following is a type of general software? Okay, question number 5 is, which of the following is a type of general software? Students, as you all know, MS Word is an application software, Windows is an operating software, and Disk Cleaner, this is a general software. So option number A is the right answer. Disk Cleaner is a general software. Clear everyone? Once again listen from the question number first. Question number first is a pointing device that has an LED light in its body. So students, option number B is the right answer, mouse. Question number second is, which of the following shows the output? Question number second is, which of the following shows the output? Students, monitor. Monitor is an output device which shows us output. And question number third is, which of the following is not an application software? So students, MS Word and MS Paint is an application software. Operation software is a system software. So option number A is the right answer. Question number 4 is, which part of the CPU does all the calculation? Students, option number A, ALU, arithmetic logical unit, does all the calculation in a computer system. A CPU has three parts. A CPU has three parts: ALU, MU, and CU. You have to remember it. A CPU has three parts: ALU, MU, and CU. Question number 5 is, which of the following is a type of general software? Students, options are Disk Cleaner, MS Word, and Windows. So students, option number A, Disk Cleaner, is a general software. Clear everyone? Now come to the next question. Okay students, now the second exercise is fill in the blanks. In this there are 5 questions. Question number first is, dash mouse is also known as ball mouse. Okay, so students, there are two type of mouse. First is optical mouse and second is mechanical mouse. And mechanical mouse is also known as ball mouse. So students, here you have to fill mechanical mouse. Okay, mechanical mouse is also known as ball mouse. There are two type of mouse. A mouse is two type. First is optical mouse and second is mechanical mouse. Okay, and mechanical mouse is also known as ball mouse. Question number second is, the functioning of all the computer part is managed by the dash in the CPU. So students, control unit managed all the function of a computer. So students, here you have to mention control unit. Okay, control unit manage all the function of a computer system. Question number C is, dash monitor are the latest type of monitor. Dear students, there are three type of monitor. There are three type of monitor. First is CRT. Okay, second is LCD and third is LED. There are three type of monitor. First is CRT, second is LCD and third is LED. Okay, CRT is earlier monitor and LED is latest monitor. Okay, CRT is stand for cathode ray tube, LCD stand for liquid crystal display and LED stand for light emitting diode. So students, here you have to mention LED. Okay, LED monitors are the latest type of monitor. Now come to the next question. Question number 4 is, Windows is an example of an. Tell me students, Windows is an example of an operating system. Here you have to fill operating. Okay, Windows is an example of an operating system. Now the next is, that is last question, dash is designed to perform a particular task. Students, application software is designed to perform a particular task. So here you have to fill application software. Okay, application software is designed to perform a particular task. Okay, once again look at from question number first. Question number first is, mechanical mouse is also known as ball mouse. There are two type of mouse. First is optical and second is mechanical. Mechanical mouse is also known as ball mouse. Second question is, the functioning of a computer part is managed by the control unit. Okay, all the function of a computer managed by control unit. And the question number third is, LED monitor are the latest type of monitor. Students, there are three type of monitor. First is CRT, second is LCD, third is LED. CRT is the earlier monitor, then after LCD and then after LED. LED is the latest type of monitor. And the next question number 4 is, Windows is an example of operating system. Windows 98, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 10, these all are the example of an operating system. And the next question is question number 5. Dash is designed to perform a particular task. Students, application software is designed to perform a particular task. Now students, next exercise we will discuss in our next video. Till then students, goodbye, have a nice day, bye bye everyone.